Cognitive functions or abilities are those mental capacities that a person has, thanks to which we are able to perform different tasks in our lives. They allow us to carry out processes of selection, reception, storage, transformation, elaboration, and recovery of information, helping us to adapt adequately to the environment that surrounds us. In short, these functions help us to carry out any type of activity, such as reading, writing, being able to talk to someone, or listen to music. This is the reason why I welcome you guys to the new series titled Cognitive Functions and their Respective Disorders Involved. This is the Project Mental Source. Memory refers to the psychological processes of acquiring, storing, retaining, and later retrieving information. There are three major processes involved in memory: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Human memory involves the ability to both preserve and recover information. However, this is not a flawless process. Sometimes people forget or misremember things. Other times, information is not properly encoded in memory in the first place. Alzheimer's disease. Although it's not known exactly what causes this process to begin, scientists now know that it begins many years before symptoms appear. As brain cells become affected, there is also a decrease in chemical messengers called neurotransmitters involved in sending messages or signals between brain cells. Age is the single most significant factor. The likelihood of developing Alzheimer's disease doubles every 5 years after to reach 65. Frontotemporal dementia. Frontotemporal dementia is an uncommon type of dementia that causes problems with behavior and language. Dementia is the name for problems with mental abilities caused by gradual changes and damage in the brain. Frontotemporal dementia affects the front and sides of the brain, the front and temporal lobes. Signs of frontotemporal dementia can include personality and behavior changes, language problems, and problems with mental abilities. Dementia with Lewy bodies. Lewy body dementia is a disease associated with abnormal deposits of protein called alpha-synuclein in the brain. The precise cause of Lewy bodies is unknown, but scientists are learning more about its biology and genetics. For example, we know that an accumulation of Lewy bodies is associated with loss of certain neurons in the brain that produce two important chemicals that act as messengers between the brain cells. If you want to know more about these topics, the bibliographical resources are always in the description of the video. Always remember, this is educational. If you think to see some of these symptoms in someone, always recommend a psychologist or a mental health professional. And remember, never self-diagnose. See you later.